This video shows how to unbox and assemble a Xerox VersaLink B620 printer. Unlatch and remove the 4 plastic box locks. Lift and remove the outer box. Remove the power cord. Remove the manual and product safety guide. Remove the packing materials from the printer. Unwrap the printer. Lift the printer with 2 people out of the plastic bag and box. Remove all packing tape from the printer. Remove the protecting cover on the control panel. Open door A. Take the black toner cartridge out. Shake it 3 times to redistribute the toner, then place it on the table. Take the black imaging unit out. Shake it 3 times to redistribute the toner. Remove the shipping restraints from the black imaging unit. Do not expose the imaging unit to direct light for more than 10 minutes. After removing the cover, extended exposure to light may cause print quality problems. Do not touch the photoconductor drum. Doing so may affect the quality of future print jobs. Insert the black imaging unit back into the printer. Insert the black toner cartridge back into the printer, then close door A. Remove the tray from the printer. To move out the paper guides, unlock the length guide by sliding the release lever to the right. Then push down guide locks and slide out the length and width paper guides. Fan the paper and load the paper in the tray. Adjust the guides to fit the paper size. Lock the length paper guide by sliding the release lever to the left. Do not load paper past the tray's maximum fill line. Insert the tray back into the printer. If required, install the options such as optional trays, wireless network adapter, or optional hard disk before powering on the printer. Plug in both ends of your power cord. Install the printer network connection before powering on the printer. The printer is now ready to power on.